Good morning, everyone. So, how are you all? I'm back over here again with the same chapter, that is prepositions, and this is the lecture number 2 of the same chapter, prepositions. Fine. Earlier, I told you about the uses of the prepositions, and we discussed about two kinds of preposition, that was preposition of time and the preposition of place. So today we are going to discuss about the next preposition, that is the preposition of direction. Direction of preposition. We are going to discuss this in this lecture. Fine. So let us proceed further, and I'm going to give you the recapitulation also of the previous lecture. Fine. So the topics which we are going to cover in this lecture, they are explanation of the third kind of preposition, that is preposition of direction. Then I'm going to discuss the book exercise, and we will revise first and second kind of preposition also, that was the preposition of time and preposition of that place. So what do you mean by preposition? I'm explaining you once again. I'm going to give you the brief description of all. So preposition, pre means pehle, position means sthan. So it tells about the position of something, where the thing is. कोई चीज कहाँ पे है, कोई वस्तु कहाँ पे है. It tells the position of that. उसका स्थान बताती है. Like the book fell off the desk. The children play in the garden. Where the children are? They are in the garden. So in over here is the preposition. He is fond of chocolate. Of is the preposition. Fine. So there are basically three kinds of preposition: place of preposition, time of preposition, and directions of preposition. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you what all given in your chapter also, in your book also, fine, and the extra also. So we are going to discuss. Let me tell you, in preposition of time. In preposition of, first of all, we will talk about the previous lecture, the recapitulation, the preposition of time. In preposition of time, there are three preposition: in, at, on. Fine. Preposition in, at, on. And in preposition of place, I told you about over, above, in, into, under, behind, in front of, out of. There are endless preposition. So today we are going to study about the directions. Now over here it's the prepositions of movements, where the thing is, where it moves. Down the stairs, सीढ़ियों से नीचे. So down is the preposition. Up the stairs, up is the preposition. Out of, के बाहर. Into, के अंदर. Fine. Towards, की ओर. The ball is moving towards the box. Box, की ओर. Towards is the preposition. And it is away from the box. Away means दूर. Past. Past means पीछे, पहले. Over. Again, I told you this about over also. When the distance is less and it is in touch with it. Onto, के ऊपर. Off. Off means जब दोनों में separation है. Around, चारों तरफ. I'm running around the park. Park के चारों तरफ. Under, किसी चीज के नीचे. Along. Along means उसके साथ साथ. The ball is moving along the road. Road के साथ साथ. Across, उस पार. Across the river. The boy threw the ball across the river. Fine. Through. Through means किसी चीज के द्वारा. Means the ball is passing through the tube. The water is passing through the pipe. These are the prepositions. Now this is given in your book only, and it is given on page number 8686. Fine. It is given on page number 8686. The preposition of time. In time, which prepositions do we use? In, on, at. I told you before also. And for location also. Fine. We use these preposition only. Now let us begin once again. In. In is used with the year. I told you this. Whenever there is any year, 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, any, we will use the preposition in. Month. With month also. I was born in October. Christmas falls in December. Fine. Holi comes in March. Weeks. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I'm going to complete this project in 4 weeks. Then preposition in is used for country also, city also, neighborhood. Country, when there is a big, जब कोई बड़ी लोकेशन की बात करते हैं हम, कंट्री बहुत बड़ी होती है, टाउन, स्ट्रीट छोटे होते हैं. जब बड़ी कंट्री होती है या सिटी होती है उसके लिए हम प्रीपोजिशन यूज करते हैं इन. आई लिव इन दिल्ली. फाइन. आई लिव इन दिल्ली. दिल्ली इज अ बिग कंट्री. सॉरी, अ बिग. सो आई लिव इन इंग्लैंड. इंग्लैंड इज अगेन अ बिग कंट्री. City, London, if we talk about. Then neighborhood, Chinatown. In neighborhood, my friend lives in my neighborhood. Then on is used with the days and the weeks. My birthday falls on 25th October. Fine. And with the days again, the school will remain closed on Sunday. I get up late on Sunday. जब भी कोई डे है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, with all the days we use the preposition on. Then we have the preposition on with the weekends also. When we talk about weekend means Saturday, Sunday. Fine. In weekend I will go and stay at my parental house. Then we have on preposition is also used for streets. When there is a small town, street. Then the last is the preposition at. At is used with time. It could be AM, it could be PM. With both we use at. I get up at 8 AM in the morning. I sleep at 10 PM in the night. Fine. Then if there is any clock time also, then also we use preposition at. With the clock time also we use preposition at. I get up at 8 o'clock. I take lunch at 2 o'clock. This I had told you. At is also used for the location when we are standing at the specific location. Like my mother is standing at the door. Specifically उसी जगह पर खड़ी हैं. तो we use the preposition at. Fine. If we talk about any address, she lives at this address. Dash dash dash. So over there also we use the preposition at. Fine. So this is the use of preposition in, on, at. With the time also and with the location also. Next is, see, this is again the revision of these prepositions with the examples. It is all given in your book and that is on page number 8686. If the child who has not understood, you can just go through from this lecture and from your book also. On, the cat is sitting on the fence. Over के ऊपर, the cat jumped over the fence. Under के नीचे, the ball is under the table. Above के ऊपर, when the distance is more. The shoot is above the ground. Below किसी चीज के नीचे. The child is standing below the staircase. The child is standing below the staircase. Next is between, among, behind, in front of, near. Between, दो के बीच में. Jack is sitting between Tim and Sharon. Then it is among. Among means सबके बीच में. Zara is sitting among the boys. Zara is sitting among the boys. सारे लड़कों के बीच में बैठी है. Then it is behind. Behind means के पीछे. Like example, the child was hiding behind the tree. पेड़ के पीछे छिप रहा था. In front of के सामने, he was sitting in front of her mother. अपनी माँ के सामने बैठा था. Next is near, पास में, किसी चीज के पास. She lives near the school. वो स्कूल के विद्यालय के पास में रहती है. You have to understood the use of these preposition. बेटा आपको इनके हिंदी मीनिंग्स आएंगे तभी आप इन prepositions को sentences में यूज कर पाओगे easily. In और into मैंने आपको डिफरेंस बताया था. जब कोई चीज रेस्ट पे होती है, हिल नहीं रही, तो हम preposition in यूज करते हैं. When it is in motion, जब हिल रही है तो preposition into यूज करते हैं. जब हिलती नहीं है तो preposition in यूज करते हैं. Fine. So let us start with the example. Study the sentences given below. The cat is bathing in the tub. हिल रही है? नहीं. It is at motion. So in. The cat jumped into the tub. टब के अंदर कूद गई. जब कूद रही होगी तो मोशन में ही होगी. Fine. She was walking in the garden. गार्डन तो नहीं चल रहा ना. So she was walking into the house. जब वो घर के अंदर जा रही है तो हिलती हुई होगी. She will be in motion. हिल रही होगी ना वो तब. So when it is at rest, we use the preposition in. When it is in motion, we use the preposition into. This you have to keep it in your mind. Next is the exercise number 1 we are going to start. It is given on page number 87 in your book. Fine, you have to revise it, all the prepositions also. Now let us start the exercise number 1. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. Father is not at home. Where is the preposition over here? At. You have to underline at. He has eaten nothing since yesterday. Kal se, since yesterday. Since is the preposition. Since, for, they both are prepositions. What is that in your hand? If you're talking about in is the preposition. He was among the crowd. बहुत सारे लोग थे. Crowd is a group of people. उन सबके बीच में था. Among is the preposition. I have 10 rupee for it. इस चीज के लिए मेरे पास 10 रुपए हैं. I told you for is also the preposition. For means के लिए. Let us walk along the shore. उसके साथ साथ along is the preposition. I don't know anything about it. About is also the preposition. I told you the example. Ma'am told me about India Gate. About mean किसी चीज के बारे में. The policeman is on duty. The policeman is on duty. Duty पर है. On is the preposition. The moon goes around the sun. The moon goes round the sun. Round, round, round. That is the preposition. Let us go for a walk. For again, they live across the river. In this lecture only I told you about across also. Across is the preposition. The room is 20 feet by 16. 20 feet by 16. By is also the preposition. By, with, since, for. These all are prepositions. Next is, over here, there are more sentences. He sat beside me at the dinner. Beside, at. These both are prepositions. Right? Beside means by the side of. किसी के side में. I am afraid of your dog. Of. का, के, की. Of is the preposition. The boy fell off the bicycle. एक off होता है काके की, एक off होता है जब हम किसी चीज से separate हो जाते हैं. जब बॉय बाइसिकल से गिरेगा तो वो बाइसिकल से अलग हो जाएगा, है ना. सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज OFF ऑफ. द हाउस इज ऑन फायर. द हाउस इज ऑन फायर. आग के ऊपर घर है? नहीं, इट इज घर में आग लग गई है. द हाउस इज ऑन फायर. ऑन इज द प्रीपोजिशन. ही इज टॉल फॉर हिज एज. ही इज टॉल फॉर हिज एज. मतलब वो अपनी एज से, अपनी उम्र से लंबा है. फॉर इज अगेन द प्रीपोजिशन. I met him on the way by chance. On, by, they both are preposition. Way का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? रास्ता. मतलब गलती से by chance I met him on the way. मैं उसको रास्ते में मिल गया. Fine. This you have to do it in your English grammar book with the help of pencil, not with the help of pen. Do not use pen ever in the books. Then it is exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with the words given alongside. Along is the preposition over here. Along means over here, the side, between, दो के बीच में, above के ऊपर जब distance ज़्यादा होता है, under के नीचे. Now you can look over here. This is the like a kind of a cupboard. Now look at the position: ball, books, bottle, radio, girl, clock, kite. Now let us see. See over here. There is a doll in the cupboard. In is the preposition over here, but you have to fill in the blanks. You can see there is a doll over here in the cupboard. Next is, it is dash a clock and a radio. अब दो की चीजों की बात आ गई, एक clock और एक radio. तो doll कहाँ है? दो चीजों के बीच में है. So it will be between. It is between a clock and a radio. There is a kite dash the doll. Let us see where the kite is. There is a kite. Where? Under the doll. Doll के नीचे है kite. It will be under the doll. Next is, there is a bottle dash the clock. Let us check in that cupboard. There is a bottle dash the clock. Again it is under the clock. Sorry, it is above the clock. Bottle clock के ऊपर है, above. But उसके touch में नहीं है. अगर touch में होती तो over आता. द रेडियो इज डैश अ बॉल. और रेडियो कहाँ है बॉल के? द रेडियो इज डैश द बॉल. इट इज अंडर द बॉल. बॉल के नीचे है. देयर इज अ बुक डैश द बॉटल एंड द बॉल. अब बॉटल और बॉल दो के बीच की बात हो गई, तो बुक कहाँ है? बिटवीन. इट इज डैश द डॉल. सो बुक इज डैश द डॉल. उन दो के तो बीच में है, लेकिन डॉल के कहाँ है? बुक above. I hope you have understood. Over, above and between. Sorry, above, under and between. You should know their difference, then only you will be able to complete it. Let us move on to the next. These are the answers. You can check it. These are the answers of the exercise number 2. You can go through it. Now this is the homework solution, the homework which I gave you to do on the day it was Wednesday. On Wednesday I gave you this work to do. Let us start. This is the solution of that assignment. Fill in the blanks by using the suitable preposition in, on, at. Now let us begin. My father's name is Jack. He is a maths teacher in an elementary school. In the mornings, he usually gets up at 6:30. I told you whenever there will be the morning, evening, night, noon, we will be use preposition in, and with the time we use preposition at. But this is only on weekends. अभी बताया था ना मैंने, on use करते हैं, because on weekend he gets up late. On Tuesdays, again on Tuesday and Thursdays, बेटा इसके पीछे एस क्यों लगा है? ट्यूजडेज, थर्सडेज, बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट एवरी ट्यूजडे. हम हर एक ट्यूजडे की बात कर रहे हैं, हर एक थर्सडेज की बात कर रहे हैं. ही हैज लंच इन द स्कूल एट 12:30 बिकॉज ही हैज लेसन्स बोथ इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इन द आफ्टरनून. अगेन मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून इन वी विल यूज. द अदर डेज ही फिनिशेज हिज वर्क इन द मिड डे, सो ही कम्स होम फॉर लंच. He sometimes corrects exercises in the evening after dinner. My father has his summer holidays in August. बताया था ना मैंने, month के साथ कोई भी month होता है उनके साथ क्या यूज करते हैं? in. But he also has a 2-week holidays on Christmas. I told you whenever there will be the holiday, any festival, we will use on preposition. And 1-week holiday on Easter. He has a difficult job, but he loves it. It's so easy. Next question I gave you. Fill in the blanks by using the correct preposition again. Check your answers. You can tell your answers from here. What do you usually do on weekend? Weekend पे बताया था ना, अभी on आएगा. My father does not work on Saturdays. आपको भी मैंने बताया था जब कोई भी day आएगा तो on. Time के साथ the film starts at 11 p.m. and finishes in the midnight. In spring, whenever there will be any season, any month, any season, उसके साथ क्या आएगा? preposition in. In spring, my garden is full of flowers. William Shakespeare was born in. Years के साथ भी in आता है. 1564. My mama's birthday is on 5th of May. जब भी कोई month के साथ date आ जाती है पहले, तो हम preposition क्या use करते हैं? On. My mama's birthday is on 5th of May. Next is, our office is closed in August. In August, again the preposition in. There are a lot of stars in the sky at night. जब specific time की बात कर रहे हैं, at night. Next is, on Christmas Day. जब मैंने आपको बताया था कोई भी छुट्टी होगी और उसके साथ पीछे day आ रहा है, तो क्या यूज करेंगे? ऑन preposition. On Christmas Day, children usually receive a lot of presents. I never go to home in lunch time. कोई भी टाइम होगा, dinner time, lunch time, breakfast time, snacks time, we will use the preposition in. आपको बच्चा इनके uses पढ़ने होंगे तभी आपको समझ आएगा ये. Next is, my best friend always phones me in the evening. Phones means call करती है. On my birthday, I always have a big party. My family sometimes goes skiing for week on Christmas. Christmas पे जाते हैं ना, skiing करते हैं जब ice में 2 sticks लेके करते हैं. That is skiing. I love reading in bed on Sunday morning. Fine. So this is all about the homework solution. and this is your homework. Exercise number 3, you have to do it. It is given on page number 8888. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition. It's very easy. Do it on your own. अपने आप करो. Do not take help from anyone. Okay. Then it is pair work. This also you have to do is look at the picture and make 5 sentences about it. And use a preposition in each sentence. और हर एक सेंटेंस में आपको प्रिपोजिशन यूज करनी है. फाइन, यू हैव टू फ्रेम 1 2 3 4 5 sentences by looking at this picture. So that's it for today. Fine. So you can complete your homework and do submit me on my mail ID. This is all for today in this lecture. In this we have completed our chapter number 20, preposition. So kindly revise it. That's it. Thank you.